Right, so I'm in my demo account for my students. So this has got student privileges, so demo. And why I'm here is I want to show you probably the messages that you'll get if you're a new user at Google and the first time you're using it on this account. If I go to Google Drive, because it's the first time I've navigated to Drive, this is the kind of the fresh look. So you can see I've got the message, welcome to Drive, etc. I'm going to cross that off, and this backup I'm going to cross that off, that's fine. Now you can see here that the default is actually the grid view, but I prefer the list view. And even though I'll take that getting started out, that's another help guide, but I can just delete that with a keyboard delete button. This student hasn't created any work or any resources, but you can see here that there is a classroom created for this student. Now I strongly recommend that you advise your students not to go in this classroom folder. You just don't want them playing around with kind of the back folders from your classroom. But if I go to classroom, you can see that this demo is the title of the classroom I created, the demo classroom. So that's nicely structured. And you can see here that we've got, this is the one task, so I've only allocated one task. Obviously the answers to the questions don't live in a worksheet. We've only created one worksheet so far, so they can actually access their work from kind of, I'm going to call it the back end. I know it's not the real sort of programming back end, but the back end of Google Classroom. And you can see here that it can request to edit, or they can share, which is another feature I'll show you in a second. In another video. So they can access their work through their Google Drive. So that is all I'll show you for this video. The next video I'm going to show you how to create and share documents from your Drive, because even though I'm kind of trying to get you familiar with Google Classroom, the whole Google suite is, I mean, it's incredible what the things that you can do.